Dear teachers, students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the Macau University of Science and Technology, MUST, I would like to welcome our new students. Today is a happy occasion. For the first time in 3 years, with the COVID pandemic finally behind us, I'm greeting new students face to face in a physical setting. Congratulations to our freshmen as you embark on a new journey of learning. MUST is a young and dynamic university. Being the first university in Macau to receive institutional accreditation by the UK Quality Assurance Agency, we have also been ranked among the top 250 in the 2023 Times Higher Education World University Rankings. We also made it to the top 250 in the world in the THE Global Employability Ranking. On May the 22nd, the world saw the successful launch of the Macau Science One satellite, a joint venture between our scientists, the Macau government, and the China National Space Administration. We were also deeply honored and very encouraged by a congratulatory letter from President Xi Jinping. In July, our School of Business earned the prestigious international accreditation of AACSB, joining the ranks of the top 6% of business schools worldwide. We have also successfully developed a partnership on postgraduate education with Cambridge University. Each year, 3 Dr. Liu Zhaowan scholarships are offered to support MUST graduates to study master's degrees at Cambridge. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in an age of brilliant technologies, AI and robotics, big data, autonomous e-vehicles, new materials for precision medicine, which make our lives a lot more convenient. We also live in a seemingly unsustainable world marked with great uncertainty. In July, the total rainfall of 1 year was poured over Beijing within 3 days, causing massive flooding. And last week, the supposedly deadly Typhoon Seola narrowly missed a direct hit to Macau, with our city fortunately untouched. Elsewhere in the world, we have been seeing increasing extreme weather events in recent years, from floods to Pakistan to severe droughts in Africa, with direct threats on water and food security and public health. The 2022 IPCC report warned that global warming is likely to reach the 1.5 degrees centigrade threshold level, a point of no return, within the next 2 decades, which calls for drastic cuts in carbon emissions. Many countries have set a goal of carbon neutrality by 2050, a goal, as the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres puts it, is the world's most urgent mission. AI and digital economy, sustainability, and combating climate change are important global challenges of our times. To the young men and women in the audience, quality and innovation are the core values of MUST. Here, you will be cultivating these values to respond to these challenges and complexities of the contemporary world. Your coming years will be a time to gain knowledge and understanding and to develop strengths and talents. Here, I wish to offer some words of advice within the broader context of our recent developments. First, cultivate good habits of critical thinking. Knowledge is power. The first step to knowledge is being humble and bold enough to admit one's ignorance when facing the vast expanse of knowledge. Ask questions, why and why not? The mathematician and philosopher Alfred Whitehead once said, "Not ignorance, but ignorance of ignorance is the death of knowledge." So do not be afraid to speak up and ask questions. Observe and learn from questions by others. In this age of ChatGPT, it is more important for students to grasp the fundamentals, to cultivate an inquisitive mind, and to learn how to learn. The whole country is seeking to develop new models of education to nurture creativity and original thinking, and to develop innovative talents for the knowledge economy. President Xi Jinping is of the view that there needs to be an integrative development of education, science and technology, and talent to accelerate the modernization of China. Innovative talents are the cornerstone of global competitiveness of any country. Every city in the Greater Bay Area is competing for talents, and Macau is no exception, also actively formulating policies for talent recruitment for the diversification of its economy. Good study habits can benefit you for life, so learn to cultivate good habits of critical thinking. Second, an open mind for interdisciplinary education. Today, the rapid technological innovation surrounding AI has been spectacular, and leaps in digitization has brought about a dramatic transformation on a level never seen before. There is also a need to develop AI systems that people can use with peace of mind and trust, while keeping humans in the center. In future, both knowledge discovery and the way we learn will be more interdisciplinary and cross-disciplinary. MUST aims to create an environment where students can try new things. We have stepped up our efforts to build an innovative education platform and empowering our students to embrace the big data era. Last year, we developed a new Faculty of Innovation Engineering with innovative programs like AI plus X, and the best professors are invited to develop elite interdisciplinary courses ranging from AI to mystery of materials to automation. We envision computer science students learning biology to make medical devices, arts students learning mechatronics to make their own tools, law students learning the technology of cyber crimes, and social science students working with engineers to study how to protect Macau heritage in our adaptation to climate change. Albert Einstein once said, "Education is that which remains after one has forgotten everything you have learned." In this age of ChatGPT, I believe personal qualities and core values will remain the most important factors of success. So focus on developing strengths not easily replaced by AI, mathematics, complex problem solving, language, culture and art, quality control, and entrepreneurship, all required to unleash creativity. Third, embrace diversity and connect to the world. Diversity is about learning and respecting other cultures and values. Macau is an international city, so make use of the overseas exchange opportunities and learn to master English well. In this globalized and fast-changing world, we need to understand cultures and developments in other parts of the world before we can become competitive. In the coming year, MUST will invest in enhancing the language capacity of students and teachers to exchange with other international universities. In my recent travels to Africa and Portugal, I can see many opportunities for you to serve as ambassadors for China and promote intercultural understanding and people-to-people connectivity. I can envision many job opportunities in the Belt Road countries that would require young and well-trained talents who are culturally informed about China and the world, as I'm sure our MUST graduates are. Ladies and gentlemen, Macau has a special position in the Greater Bay Area. This international city has been an east-west meeting point for centuries. 500 years ago, the Catholic priest Matteo Ricci brought Western astronomy, mathematics, and religion into China via Macau. In future, we can also envision a Macau serving as a unique bridge in the opposite direction to introduce and showcase Chinese science and technology and culture to the outside world. I believe many of you can serve our country well by contributing to this national vision. Dear students, the future belongs to you. I wish you all every success and a very happy and fruitful university life. Thank you.